Mic check 1 2 1 2. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another haircut tutorial. Alright, man, we're gonna be doing another quick haircut tutorial, just a little taper and a lineup. But let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. As you can see, I'm taking down where I want my taper area to be with a 1.5 guard. I am using the TPOB blade. You can go to the pissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code Tank on that website, or I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description. But as y'all can see, I'm taking down the taper area and the front lineup with that 1.5 guard, just because I know that's a good length for the way he wants his haircut to look, right? So that's why I'm doing this with the 1.5 guard. You could do it with a 1 guard open or a 2, whatever the preference is for the client, but I know he likes it when we do a 1.5 guard. So we're cleaning up that tapered area and behind the ear with that 1.5 guard, taking it all down to that length. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna move on to our taper. As you can see, I'm using my trimmers. I'm gonna be setting in my initial bald guideline, and we are gonna be doing a high taper. He used to do a low taper, but one time I gave him a high taper and he really liked it. He said it lasted him a little longer. So that's basically what we've been doing for a while, is a high taper. Then we're gonna follow that up with the TPOB shaver. Once again, you can go to the pissedoffbarber.com, use my discount code Tank. And then we're gonna actually start to taper up this blend. So now I'm going in with my clipper all the way open, and I'm coming up about, just about a ½ an inch, maybe even a ¼ of an inch. Honestly, I don't have a lot of room to work with, so I gotta be careful, but at the same time, I gotta make sure that I'm being precise, right? So clipper open, and then I'm gonna close my lever, start attacking that bottom line, and then I will be adjusting my lever if it's needed to help get this part of the blend to look right. And now that is done, I'm taking my 0 guard, and just so y'all know, I'm using the Stylecraft dub guards, but I'm taking my 0 guard on the Stylecraft dub guards, or the half guard, or whatever you want to call it, lever open, and I'm blending into that 1.5, and I'm gonna be adjusting my lever as needed. Anytime I see dark spots or a line, I'm gonna try to attack that area just to make sure that it looks fully blended. Once again, we don't really have a lot of room to work with, but we want to make sure that it looks nice and blended. So we're taking our time, adjusting our lever as needed, and trying to be real precise with the steps and the strokes that we're doing. And here I'm going back in with my clipper no guard, doing a little bit of detail work, trying to clean up that bottom line. And once that is done, I'm gonna take my trimmer, go back in and try to clean up that bottom line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and line him up behind the ear and over the ear. As you can see, we leaving a nice sharp line in there. Hey, but let me know if y'all think this is a pushback, man. I have people telling me sometimes I'll be pushing people back, but I just be trying to get some sharp lines. But y'all let me know if y'all think there's a pushback in the comments. And then we're gonna attack that bottom line once again with that trimmer. Then do some more detail work, a little bit on the blend. So I'm going in with the JRL Ghost Edition, clipper open, just trying to blend into, that fade a little more, just try to get that blend to pop just a little more, because it wasn't looking quite as good as I would want it to look. And once we got that situated, we're gonna go ahead and take our high vis trimmer, and we're gonna go ahead and start lining them up. As y'all can see, I'm starting off in the middle of my client's lineup, putting in my initial bald guideline, and then basically working my way over to the side of the hair that was blended. Then we're gonna hit that vertical bar. And as y'all can see, I move kind of slow when I'm doing my lineups, man. I don't be trying to move super fast, like that's the hardest part in my eyes, and the most important part of a haircut is the lineup. So I like to take my time, try to make sure that I get it nice and sharp for my client. But just so y'all know, I did add some enhancements. However, you're not gonna see me do that in this video. Once again, it's just a quick little tutorial for y'all. But once we line them up, I go back in and start doing some more detail work. And you can use whatever guards you feel are necessary. This is just, the guard that I felt I needed for this particular haircut. But yeah, man, y'all see the haircut. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this video in the comment section, man. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.